So, if my lips are looking a little red, it's because I am just now getting over an allergic reaction to a lip balm that I didn't have any problems with before. For some reason, I had an allergic reaction to the Blistex fruit smoothies fresh mixes and strawberry coconut. I don't know what happened. I used this and then all of a sudden, like, it didn't even happen like right away. It like a few hours later, my lips started swelling up, and then I started getting like this red rash, and it was just horrible. And then, you know, it was it calmed down, and then I stupidly used this again because I couldn't find the other lip balm that I got to help with it, and it flared up again. So yeah, I don't know what happened or whatever, because this was honestly a favorite of mine, but for some reason I can't use it anymore. So um yeah, but anyways, I've been using the chapstick medicated one, and it's been like helping really much, so just excuse that. And then today I just primed with my Milani eyelid primer, and then I can't find my concealer anywhere, just for an all over white base. Some Jumbo Pencil Milk, and it's the ColourPop Strawberry Shake palette. It's just a beautiful palette of like strawberry reds, I guess you would say. On with the Strawberry Shake palette, and on all my whole do paper straw. That's what that looks like. I'm just gonna put paper straw all over my lid on a fluffy eyeshadow brush. It's going into the crease. I'm trying not to go onto the lower lash line, the brow bone. Same brush, I just wiped it off. I'm gonna go in with my Milkshake, and it's just a kind of like this one right here. I'm going to put that on the outer corner and a little bit into the crease. And if you want, you can go in with a clean blending brush and just blend that in. I really don't want this look to turn like really dark and smoky. I just want like a fresh, springy look. I think I'm gonna go in with Daiquiri. It's more of like a true red color. This one right here. I'm just gonna take it on a like denser crease brush, and I'm just going to deepen the outer corner just a little bit. Take a fluffy brush again, and I'm just going to mix them together. I don't really want them defined per se. I just want a nice gradient of color. I think for my lid, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Very Fine, which I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but it's like an orangey reddish color with like a really pretty gold shift. But it's so pretty and it look amazing on the eyelid. So I'm going to put it on top of the eyeshadow we already have down, and I'm gonna do it on a small like crease brush. Just pack it in and then press it down. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't know if the camera is picking up this gorgeousness, but I did all my face makeup and my eyebrows and all that. I forgot, or I went without the eyeliner on the top, just because I want it to be like more of like a fresh, open look. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of shadow underneath the eyes, and I'm going to be using a fluffy brush for that. And I'm just going to put a little bit more of the My Milkshake shade underneath. You don't want to be too precise because, again, you don't want it like to be a defined. Go with brown. This is just Mr. Bing from ColourPop. It's their cream gel liners, like a definition, but you don't want like a harsh black. So that's that. And then for the inner corner, I'm gonna put a little bit of Delish, and it's just like this really pretty highlight. It has kind of like a pinky, it's like a champagne color, but has like a pinky shift to it. Favorite highlighting pencil brush. Get that color in, and then that'll go in the inner corner. And then I always bring it up to that red color. Pretty much, well, that's the eye look. I actually really like it. This is like one of my favorite looks I've done in such a long time. And I am going to add a little bit more blush. I'm just going to put Mellow Wine on my cheeks. Not like I'm going to do a highlight. The highlight that I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild After Sex Glow, but I'm going to use this kind of like peachy goldeny color, and I'm just going to use that on the Real Techniques setting brush. Those lips, and I think I'm just going to do like a red, and this is called Cherries in the Snow. It's by L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal Super Lustrous lipstick, number 59, Cherries in the Snow. So here's the completed look, and with the lipstick I just applied it, and then I just sheared it out with my finger. I don't know if it's looking true to color on the camera, but it's more of like a berry red color, and I really, really like it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.